What's up guys, Thomas here, G-Pit. Just unloaded my ramp, but it's still, it's quite good down here. Not the best. It's quite soft, but it's drying out more and more. So if you stick here, you're gonna see me bashing the Team Corral Kagama XP6S and the Traxxas Sledge, okay, with the M2C Racing Jackhammr kit. We're gonna take a short break. Stay tuned, don't go anywhere. So this was a recommendation from my dear friend All the Loyal, and see if we can see it here. Yep, there it is. It's not gonna be any fancy jumping. And what a day. So stay tuned, and we're gonna do our best to do some decent airs. Stay tuned. So guys, Thomas here, DP Parts of Rc-Xtreme down at the Gravelpit. As you can see, what a wonderful day. It's Easter Eve and we have around 10 degrees on the plus side. The MAJESTIC Traxxas Sledge with the M2C Racings conversion kit Jackhammr. What a freaking beast! And I'm gonna do a build breakdown at the end of the video. I'm just gonna drive around a little bit to get some kind of feeling for it. It is a pure animal. I definitely need to go over my servo saver. Feels a little bit loose. Yeah, see if we can do some kind of ramp action here. But like always, probably do 1, 2, 3, 4 passes before I hit that in the first place. Definitely easier with the Kagama because of the tires. These are on the stiffy side, but I actually enjoy them. There's good grip in them. What a powerhouse. That's what I said. I suck so bad. Hard on ramping. But then again, it's on gravel, so okay, so we have barely steering. Now we have. Sorry. I'm just gonna do a couple of passes because I'm more than pleased. I wish I could do it better. There's a lot of sand in the rims, so this is well, probably the best bash 2024. I can barely speak, so excited. Okay, there they are. Yep. I'm actually enjoying those tires more and more. I'm pretty impressed that they are in one piece. They are the Louise RC ST Ulldoze. Gonna put a link in the description. Seems to hold up. It's on the tallest side, if you ask me, for this car, because it's barely bottoming out and put a huge stress on the suspension. Shaving. I'm gonna go for one more try. You know what to say? Such a great car to drive. Saved it, not nailed it. Triple, and that was an extremely close call. Okay, so we have no fans working. That means that I'm going to stop right now before I toast anything. A quickie break it down after I disconnected the LiPo and shut everything off. Speak soon. So guys, done with bashing today. Quick build breakdown on the Traxxas Sledge using M2C Racings conversion kit. Obviously the chassis, the upper brace, the towers, also running the optional M2C Racings outdrives, of course the motor mount reverse, the EC plate, choke standoffs, the CRS caps with O-ring pistons, tin coated shafts front and rear. I don't know, or I don't remember what shock coils I'm running in it. The diffs, I think on 200k on this, 10 or 30 rear, 80k in the front diff. Custom RC upgrades, extended hex 20mm, their Kevlar LiPo straps, running a Max 6, and if you can see, ooh, It is toasty. A classic X-Max 16. No, it's a 1600 XL. Is it called that? I don't know, but it's the 6S motor from the first generation X-Max, and don't know what pinion, 22. But it's an amazing car to drive, using a Savux 1230, and might need to adjust that servo saver. The tires work really good. They are the Louise RC ST Ulldoze, but in my opinion a little bit too tall for this kind of car because it barely bottoms out. That's the downside, but the grip is good. They don't balloon too much, but still a good amount of rotating mass when you're doing some backflips and so on. So yeah, I'm super pleased with it. I highly recommend for the sledge owners to get a conversion kit, because you will never look back, that's for sure. Thanks for watching, and bye bye. So guys, done with bashing. Gonna give you a quick tour through the G-pit, but first of all, goddamn hot outside. Gonna pick up that. The ramp. Bye bye fly. So today's bashing went out really good. Without a doubt the best bashing session 2024. And that's a good thing. I'm just gonna put it in the car. Stay tuned. So loaded the ramp, quick tour through the G-pit. See it doesn't look after a winter. We're entering April, everything is really soft, so the car's getting really muddy. And to be honest, a while back I never cared for that, you know, bash, clean it, dry it, oil it, and go back out again. But nowadays, nah, it's not worth it. But this is on the edge. If it's been more muddy or wet, I would stay home. Yeah, most of you guys have already seen this. And for the people who have not, I've been here bashing with permission. Must be since 2004, 5, maybe 6. I don't know. I really don't know, but it's more than 15 years or around there. Some say it's boring because I don't bash anywhere else besides the Mega Gravelpit up north. But this is the place that I have, and I never use my cars, so to speak, in public. You know, garaging, but maybe sometimes at home. But that's not often anymore. And that's the regular spot where I normally park my car and bash around this area. But now it's flooded and it's too soft and muddy. So there won't be any session here in a while. Hopefully mid-May. But as soon as it starts to rain again, I'm done. Anyway, time to continue to celebrate Easter now. And hopefully you also will do that. I'm gonna show you just up here around the corner. This is the way that I normally, and that's the Mega Boost jumps over there, the highest spot. So that was the tour through the G-pit. You've seen it many times. Just wanted to add something a little bit more on the videos. I'm gonna try to do that more and even film it when I'm entering it. So you have probably already seen that with this video. That's it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.